Hi, my name is Lorraine and today I'll be demonstrating the 7-side Skinfold measurement. Make sure to take all measurements on the right side of the client's body. The client's skin should be dry and lotion free. Do not take Skinfold measurements immediately after exercise. Identify and mark all sites before measuring. Firmly grasp the Skinfold between the thumb and index finger of your left hand, 1 centimeter above the site to be measured, making sure to pull the Skinfold up and away from the body. The chest site is a diagonal fold. For men, it is 1/2 the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple. For women, it is 1/3 of the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple to avoid measuring breast tissue. Hold the caliper in your right hand with the dial facing up. Place the jaws of the calipers perpendicular to the fold 1 centimeter below the fingers and halfway between the crest and the base of the fold. The subscapular site is a diagonal fold at a 45-degree angle 1 to 2 centimeters below the inferoral angle of the scapula. Record the Skinfold measurement to the nearest 0.5 millimeters 1 to 2 seconds after releasing the scissor grip. The mid-axillary site is a vertical fold on the mid-axillary line at the level of the xiphoid process of the sternum. Take the Skinfold measurements in rotational order to allow time for the Skinfold to regain its normal thickness. The tricep site is a vertical fold on the posterior midline of the upper arm halfway between the acromion and the olecranon processes, with the arm held freely to the side of the body. Take a minimum of 2 measurements at each site. If duplicate measurements are not within 1 or 2 millimeters, retest this site. The suprailiac site is a diagonal fold in line with the natural angle of the iliac crest, taken in anterior axillary line, immediately superior to the iliac crest. The abdominal site is a vertical fold 2 centimeters to the right side of the umbilicus. Make sure the participant places their weight on their left foot to relax the right leg to prevent from stretching the skin. The thigh site is a vertical fold on the anterior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crease. Calculate the mean for each Skinfold site. Use a corresponding Skinfold equation for men or women to estimate percent body fat.